Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Plug Power INC or PLUG stock, and I've been very vocal about this stock for the last couple of months, I would say, and if I'm saying couple of years it might not be wrong, because for the last one and a half or 2 years I've been talking about this stock. And why I am very much into this stock is not because of the price action, because when I'm recording this video I'm very sure that in the next couple of weeks and months that the stock will go into a correction. Okay, so then why I am talking about the big trend is simply because the overall trend is intact, and in the short term obviously you will see different things, and in the long term I basically look at the trend. If the overall trend is intact, if the structure is intact, so does the price action, because sooner or later the price will recover and it will accelerate its momentum. But what we don't know is how the stock is going to perform in the short term. If in the short term the stock price movement breaks the trend, that's a different scenario. But if it does not, then obviously the overall structure is positive, and in which case you will see big price action going forward, right? So that's what I'm looking at. For the sake of understanding, there are two very specific levels, and I have drawn the trend. You can clearly see the stock may fall down to $9 or even eight and a half, but for the sake of understanding and clarity, use 11.7 as your support and 7.29 on the downside, or 7.3 rather, as your stop loss. Please don't go below these two specific levels, and make sure that the stock is sustaining above 11.7 or more, because the uptrend continues if the stock continues to sustain above 11.7 or more. If it falls below 11.7, don't even bother, although you have 7.3, but make sure that the stock is sustaining above 11.7 or more for having a big trend on the upside. If it does happen, if the stock continues to sustain above 11.7 or more, then the immediate target that we are going to look at will be 24. It is very important for the stock to surpass and sustain above 24 for the next price action, because if that happens, if the stock continues to sustain above 24, then the next price action or the next target that we are going to look at will be 76 and a half, and then we will see a big momentum, because beyond 76 and a half we will go for 110, we will go for $400, and the big target or the previous high of 2000 will be $1,500. But what I'm talking about is for the next couple of years, maybe 5 year, maybe 10 year, it will depend upon the price action. But right now this is a half done story. Most importantly, the stock has already given you breakout after 2008. It's been in a correction for the last 1 or 2 years. So does the overall market. But if the trend sustain, and when the good time comes, you will see a big price action, or you will see a huge move, because the stock, these kind of stock has been performing when the broad market start moving higher, and we know how big the move could probably be, because we have seen the same thing in the past, and we will see the same thing in the future again. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.